Under label speechless, type show Taishiro beachwear happy at left. Show Keiko casual surprised at right. Player will say, what the heck is this man? Taishiro will say, you guys. A customer just gave us a free trip to an island resort. Keiko will say, but why are you already wearing your beachwear? Show Taishiro beachwear surprised at left. Taishiro will say, I don't know. Show Taishiro beachwear happy at left. Taishiro will say, anyways, my parents are super busy. So, I have 2 extra slots. Let's go. Show Keiko casual normal at right. Keiko will say, sure. I need a break anyway. Player will say, okay. Scene Island Resort S one day with fade. Once again, you don't have to type everything. You can open the completed script text file and copy-paste all of it to your game script. Open double quotation, close double quotation. Show Taishiro beachwear happy at left. Show Keiko dress pout at right. Taishiro will say, here we are. Player will say, Keiko? Keiko will say, remember, I always pout at beaches. Player will ask, why? Keiko will reply, no reason. Taishiro will say, let's play. Keiko will say, yes. Now let's check till here. I'll just load up from an autosave. Let's choose speechless and check. So, everything is working fine. Let's continue. Type, scene forest S1 night lights with fade. Player will say, where are we? Show Taishiro outing sad at left. Show Keiko dress sad at right. Taishiro will say, yo man, you can't ask but you gotta save one of us. Player will say, what? Keiko will say, yes, you can save only one of us. Taishiro will say, save me man, you don't love her anyway. Player will shout, what did you say? Open double quotation, hurry now, you don't have much time. Close double quotation. Now, we will use a time-based event where the player will have to choose from options within a set time limit. Let's scroll all the way up. Open the completed script text file. Copy from here, till here. And then paste it here. Make sure every line is in the correct indent. Now scroll down. We will now type, label, space, slow, colon. Press enter. $, space, time, space, equals 2, space, 3. Press enter, $, space, timer, underscroll, range, space, equals 2, space, 3. Press enter, $, timer, underscroll, jump. Equals 2, space, open single quotation, too slow, close single quotation. You may set it to any number instead of 3. Now press enter, type, show, space, screen, space, countdown. Press enter, type menu. Colon. Press enter, open double quotation. Just beat the heck out of Taishiro yourself. Close double quotation, colon. Press enter, type, hide. Space. Screen, space, countdown. Press enter, type, jump, space ouch. Press enter, backspace. Open double quotation, pick up Keiko and run for it. Close double quotation, colon. Press enter, type, jump, space, run. Make a label, name it. 2, underscroll, slow. This should be the same as what is written in timer jump. Make 2 more labels and name them, ouch and run. Let's write some temporary words to check if they are working or not. Now let's check. See, there's our 3 seconds timer which is depleting. Oh wait, something didn't work. Line 251. Oh, I didn't put the underscroll here. Make this it is 2, underscroll, slow. Now it should work. Let the timer run out. Yes, it's working. Since the time ran out, we landed on this slow path. Let's check the others. It's working. Make sure to type, hide screen countdown over here, or else the timer won't go away. Okay, now it's working. Now under label too slow, open double quotation, you were too slow in deciding what to do, close double quotation. Hide Taishiro outing sad, hide Keiko dress sad. Open double quotation, both Keiko and Taishiro just left you all alone in this scary forest. Close double quotation. Open double quotation. Bad ending, close double quotation. Type return so that the game ends and returns to main menu. Now under label ouch, type, hide Taishiro, show Keiko dress angry. Open double quotation, you beat the crap out of Taishiro. Close double quotation, open double quotation, Keiko calls the security. Close double quotation, open double quotation, and you end up in prison. Close double quotation, open double quotation, this is how you become a prisoner ending, close double quotation. Type return. Under label run, type, scene hotel room, B, day. Open double quotation, you grab Keiko and run for it, close double quotation. Open double quotation, you both end up back in your hotel room, close double quotation. Open double quotation, and somehow it's daytime now, close double quotation. Show Keiko dress blush. Keiko will say, actually Taishiro told me all about it, about how I was wrong and that you actually love me as well. Player will say, I always did but just couldn't confess. I love you Keiko. Keiko will say, I love you too, %, open bracket, PN, close bracket, S open double quotation, happy ending, close double quotation. Type return. Now let's check. Let's choose to beat him up. Okay, it works. Now let the timer run out. Bad ending, it works. Now let's pick her up and run. So, everything works. Now let's move on to adding music.